Hey, my name is Fran, and in this video I'm going to show you really quickly how to change your favicon in ClickFunnels. So your funnels go from looking like this to this. Alright, so this is really easy. All you have to do is first add the image. You'll go up here to your account settings, choose digital assets, and you'll have to add a new asset. Choose a file, and we've got the file here. You just have to give it a name and click add. Once you have your favicon added here, you click on these three dots, copy asset path, and now you're ready to go to your funnels. Let's choose this funnel right here. And now all you have to do is go to settings. Inside the funnel you want to add the favicon to, find favicon URL and paste it here. Scroll all the way down, save and update settings, and your favicon should be ready. This usually takes a little bit of time, but as you can see here, it was instant. For more ClickFunnels tutorials or to learn how to earn from the content you're creating, subscribe to this channel. If you want any specific tutorial that I don't have in the channel, just leave a comment below and let me know what you'd like to see. Thank you very much for watching, and see you on the next one.